Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Alex from VisionThreads, and today I've got Jeff and Tony with me. We finally met up in person and grabbed some funny 360 footage for this chat. We wanted to dive into Vizard and what tools like it actually mean for creators and the video industry today. Tony's been having a blast with all kinds of AI video toys, posting daily clips mixing celebrities and wild concepts. It's a hilarious trend that's catching on. But seriously, what's the real impact of these video generators? What's new, what's meaningful, and where's the money? A quick take? When you use Vizard on desktop, it feels like a real production tool. Upload, tweak, assemble. While on mobile, it's more of a swipey, quick clip playground. That low-friction loop, a type of prompt, get a clip, post fast, is why some call these apps the AI TikTok. But Vizard isn't just about quick clips. Its real strength lies in lowering the barrier to entry for creators. No more wrestling with complex timelines or costly software. One standout feature, you can create a persistent channel persona that guides the system to make punchy clips that match your style. Unlike other tools where you manually stitch frames, Vizard's AI finds the best parts from long videos and crafts concise clips for you. Now with great power come hard questions. Platforms keep changing rules about using real people or celebrities in generated content. The restrictions vary wildly. Some bans on real people without consent, others on deceased celebrities. And it's left creators wondering why outcomes are so inconsistent. The core challenge is moderation, balancing creative freedom with legal, ethical, and mental health concerns. Platforms need guardrails. Too many stifle creativity, too few lead to a wild west of risky content. And here's the business reality. Running these AI systems is expensive with big GPUs and electricity costs. Right now, the clips may feel fun and casual, but can users really pay $15 to $20 a month just to get those auto-edited clips? That's the million-dollar question. TikTok's early story shows the way. Remove friction, build an audience first, and monetize later through ads or commerce. Vizard's current business model still feels consumer and creator-focused. The key is whether the cost comes down or the value rises enough for creators to pay up. Creators are diverse and messy. Vizard lets you control who can use your persona, public, followers, friends, or just yourself, which is important for privacy and trust. But enforcement's tricky. Once a clip is out there, it can spread beyond the platform, and no tool can fully rewind that. Also, most creators want something simple, not complicated editing suites. That's where Vizard shines as a one-button clip generator. On safety, anonymous social platforms have more abuse risks. Deepfake tech is scary, but manageable, with consent and notification flows. Vizard can notify you when your persona is used and let you revoke permissions, helping keep things safer on the platform. Sometimes Vizard's face sampling is a bit off, like guessing shapes incorrectly. But the goal isn't trickery, it's control for creators. Clear user controls like family-friendly only or no intimate content will set Vizard's UX apart in the long run. Looking at ads, Vizard could really speed up creative production, helping brands test concepts faster with multiple short clips from one long video. Imagine brands crowdsourcing ad variations from creators using Vizard, drastically lowering costs and opening doors for small creators. For advertisers, quality and consistency matter though. Low-res, inconsistent clips just won't cut it for broadcast or big campaigns. Vizard could offer API tokens for high-quality renders, so agencies pay per polished clip while casual users explore for free. Right now, Vizard's creator base is small but growing. The big question is whether stars with millions of followers will emerge. If Vizard nails ease of use and social features, we might see a breakout like TikTok's early days. A big risk is that giant platforms like Meta could copy these features and squash smaller players overnight. But Vizard's deep integration with scheduling and distribution tools could become a sticky, valuable moat. Partnerships with e-commerce, like Shopify's AI integrations, hint at a monetization path. Creators make product clips, viewers buy, platforms earn commissions. Looking long-term, cloud capacity and hardware improvements will bring down the cost of video AI rendering dramatically. So even though big compute is pricey now, scaling and efficiency could make it sustainable for platforms like Vizard. At its core, Vizard's real value is making video editing painless, transforming long videos into short gems with minimal effort. This ease unlocks countless creators and small businesses who never had time or budget to repurpose content before. Will Vizard become the next TikTok? Maybe or maybe not. But it's tackling a real pain point for creators by automating editing and scheduling. If they keep improving quality, safety, and APIs, Vizard could carve out a strong niche in the video creation landscape. All right, that's enough rambling from us today. We'd love to hear what you think, so drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll try to get together again soon, online or offline, to dig even deeper into this fascinating space.